So I'm unable to get much out of this list, but let's just get one more and then we're done. I think we got one from those ones, but let me go for maybe first line writing. I don't know why we keep getting just one feedback. Now, the thing about it is just the client needs to have like a number of. The client joined late last year, 2 jobs. The first line writer was sending email campaigns to YouTubers. The client is in the United Kingdom. Not enough information. We need somebody who has posted more than one job post. But let's just keep going till we get one more at least. Personalized first line writer needed for long-term projects. Let's just please have more than 2 hires, 1 active. Like, why exactly do we just keep getting? No, let me look for. Let me see where I can get a previous client payment verified experts. Let's look for 10 plus hires just so I can show you. Expert payment verified 10 plus hires. Okay, let's try to see if we can get some from web development. This one already put our information directly. Hi, my name is Michel Jamin. I am the founder of Guessing.co. We've put like your information directly. We can get you on LinkedIn, get you everywhere we want to. Well, let's see. Working time from 7 a.m. BST was which? Search BST. What country is this? Ireland. Okay, Ireland, United Kingdom. BST, British summertime. Oh, that sounds like start of a good song or the title of a good song. Summertime, British summertime. Well, let's see what information. Pleasure to work with D. Now the person is D. Great customer. I really enjoyed working with him. D. The person's name is D. Let's see if we can get more info. D. Another D. 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 How do you say about them? Seeing that Selena. D. Dave. Oh, finally. So having D, and then we have one Dave. So the person's name is Dave, but then the name is D. So now let's try to see what other information. Almost all the jobs are private. Why, Dave? Why? Because what that means is we cannot actually like see the job or whatever you get, because almost all of them are private. Let's save here. So recent history. All private jobs. That's weird. Let's see what information. So we have Dave from Ireland. He will directly work with our director, a development company. So it's a development company. So we have Dave, Ireland development company. Haha. I doubt his first name is Dave Ireland. Dave Development Company in Ireland. Yeah, so we need more information. Development company looking for a project manager, administrative assistant. Working with our director of IT. I highly doubt if this is going to be the founder. But let's just see. Madlog. I highly doubt it. Could be. But I highly doubt it. I highly doubt it. Yes, there's not really enough information to like reach out to this person. It's really painful. Maybe we could now we've gotten a person's first name, which is good. Let me see. Dave, the development company are taking on Maryland. Haha. David D Limited. Ha. David D. No. Damn, Google can be dumb sometimes. Never tried this, but let's see. Dave into brackets D development company. I could be one of these guys who actually knows, but I do not think so. But you see the effort that goes into, so that's why each of my posts, like I take, it takes me at least 45 minutes. It takes me at least 45 minutes to pitch for the post, honestly. So this person is in St. Petersburg, United States. I hope you've had enough hires. Are they private jobs? Oh, thank you. So the person's name is Darian. So the person's name is Darian. So Darian in St. Petersburg. So that's our email outreach campaigns. The target to be e-commerce store owners. How to apply. So let's see. I'm seeing AI web app. So there's a very high probability Darian, has something to do with AI web apps. So we have Darian, St. Petersburg. Darian, St. Petersburg, United States, AI. So we have Darian James, Darian Johnson. So let's just see if we can get any more information. I'm looking to develop a web app that can be used by lawyers to read and automate their paperwork. I have most of this done, but I need someone to integrate AI into the web app. Oh no, that's not good enough information. Custom GPT for AI assistant for a big documents collection. We need someone who can develop and manage a custom AI blah blah blah. The AI assistant will be cancel. So we have the person's name. Let's see. Immigration law firm, dental practice. Haha, this person is everywhere. So we just like keep checking till we see information about this person. Plan architecture, internet too. Conversion rate optimization consultant for Shopify store. So he runs a Shopify store, we know that much. Appointment setting chatbot. There's no information about his company here. Doesn't matter. We keep going. Delivering a product for a big client. Right now we use Asana, but it doesn't get our to our SOPs. We're looking to speak to an expert and how can we in this opportunity. Click up. There's not enough information. So they do social media marketing. You can see junior media buyer for US-based Facebook ads agency. Darian says St. Petersburg. Let's open this just in case. Let's just see. Ads agency. Oh, Darian James, Darian Reynolds. Let's see Darian James. There's one like activate online. I guarantee I think on triple your store. This is probably who we're looking for. This is so it's a digital ads agency, 5 years old. Ran Evolve Media or worked with Evolve Media. So this is a digital ad agency. Oh, see, Shopify stores, content marketing. So this is most likely who we are looking for. I'll just check if you see any more information that would help. Code email marketing. We're looking for a store. So they want to reach out to e-commerce store owners probably to help them. Where is that? Is LinkedIn. Triple your store revenue within the next 90. This is definitely what we are looking for. So let's see if we can get his email. We have this about content. We see. Let's see. Open this in a new tab to see if we can get his email anywhere. Open the YouTube. Open the Facebook. I don't think we get emails from I don't get emails from Instagram, but let's just see more about this channel. Nothing about his info. So contact at -activeonline.net. There's very probability we're going to get in directly through that. We could also add this, and then whatever email whatever they send to you, you understand, when they send the book to you, you copy the email if it's a personal email or whatever. Then let me see if we can use contact out. Perfect. So oh, this is just amazing. So with contact out, I just clicked on it, and then what did I get? Darian at -activeonline.net, which is this green means it's at least 90% sure. And then we have darian.jamesmail@gmail.com, which is even amazing, the fact that you could get a Gmail account. So you could use contact out, you could use Apollo, you could use hunter.io, and that's just it. So this next person, I run the Amazon store for a successful dog chew toy Gouge Nut. So we already have Gouge Nut, San Francisco. This one we already have too much information actually. We have so much information, so on this, that's just it. This is let's open Facebook. You see the email here, dogsgougenuts@aol.com, and there's a very close. I don't know if you can see. I want you to look. I want you to look down here. I want you to look down here. I'm just going to hover above this. So you see, dogsgougenuts@aol.com. dogsgougenuts@aol.com. There's very probably it's going to get the email directly, like 2 or 3 posts, then reach out to the person. It's as simple as that. What's the person's name? Well, the person's name is Max. So let's see if we can even Max, and then just put in Gouge Nuts. He named one of his products after himself. Or we have the person's name. If you probably reach out to that actual email, I think we should be able to get the person directly. But yeah, honestly, that's just it, and that is how it is done.